The TVS Apache 164V is one of the best bikes in the 160cc segment, and TVS has been listening to the prayers of their fans and have updated the 164V with new features. So much so that it can be at par with the 204V in terms of features alone. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Vipul, and in this video we're going to tell you what's new with the TVS Apache 164V. Now, before we get into the video, do not forget to subscribe to Motoroids and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload our next video. Now let's start with the appearance of the bike first. If you notice right off the bat, it comes in a brand new black matte finish, which looks very nice along with these red accents. At the front there is a new headlamp cluster with new LED DRLs. The standard Apache 164V gets the DRLs here, which have been removed and shifted here. And in this new bike there is a new feature wherein the headlight can be switched off. So you can put off the headlight even during the days. Now it gets the same telescopic forks, the same tires, but the wheel has been changed and you now get a red color alloy wheel along with this TVS Racing badging right here. Moving towards the side, there are no changes. Here you get the same engine that puts out 17 PS of power and 14 Newton meters of torque. There's no change in the gear levers or the foot pegs. Everything else remains the same mechanically. Now there is an interesting change at the back though. The special edition Apache 164V now gets radial tires at the back instead of the standard nylon tires. But this is only at the back. The front ones are the standard nylon tires. This is a 130 by 70 section radial tire. It's a Eurogrip Pro Torque Sport S tire with 130 by 17 inch alloys. It gets the same red color and the TVS Racing badging. The tail lamp and the tail lamp cluster, the turn indicators, the silencer, everything is the same. Now what is different is this seat. So this is a single step seat. You get the TVS Racing badging right here and you get this red color accent right here. The other bike, standard 164V, gets black carbon fiber finish right here. Now on the tank is the same 11-liter tank. You have this 4 million edition badging here, denoting that this is the special edition 164V. Now most of the interesting changes are here in the instrument cluster, and this is where TVS has added all the good features from the 204V. To start with, the instrument cluster has been replaced and now you get a white backlight as opposed to the orange backlight that you used to get in the standard bike. Now this display is more sharper than the one that is there in the standard 164V, and it is more clearer, and I'm sure it will be better visible in daylight as well. Now this bike also gets riding mode. It gets 3 riding modes: rain, urban and sport mode. Besides that, you also get a gear position indicator, which is not present on the standard 164V. Here you have all the telltale lights. Now this bike also gets the TVS Smart Connect connectivity system, which can pair with your phone, and you can get call and message notification right on the instrument cluster. You will also get turn-by-turn navigations on the instrument cluster as well. So in terms of features, this bike is now much more closer to the 204V. Now another interesting feature that change has been made on the bike are these adjustable levers for the clutch and the front brake. You now have 3-step adjustable levers, so based on your requirements you can adjust these levers in 3 different sets. So it's going to make riding even more convenient with the 164V. Now there are no mechanical changes in the bike as such, and it produces the same 17 PS of power and 14 Newton meters of peak torque. Now this power and torque is now distributed within the 3 riding modes. Based on the riding mode you are in, the power and torque will be delivered. The bike does not sound any different. We will just give you a listen and you can tell us if it sounds any different than the standard 164V. So if you ask me, the bike does not sound any different than the standard one. Now we have done a complete review of the 164V wherein you will get to know about the performance of the bike, and that video will be showing up on the I button right now. Go ahead and check that video out to get a complete review of the bike. In terms of riding dynamics, in terms of performance, we don't think there's going to be any difference. The main difference is going to be in the features of the bike itself. Now the standard Apache 164V with the disc brake will set you back by 1,12,000 ex-showroom Mumbai, and this bike will cost you 1,21,000 ex-showroom Mumbai, which is a 9,000 premium over the standard bike. But if you ask me, it is a good investment. 9,000 rupees gets you a lot of kit. To start with, the radial tire, which none of the bikes in this segment are offering. You get this gorgeous paint scheme of black and red. You get a lot of connectivity features in terms of Bluetooth. You get your call notification, your message notifications, and also turn-by-turn navigations. Beside that, most important that a lot of TVS fans have been asking for are the riding modes, and this bike gets that. So you don't have to shell out the extra 10 or 15,000 to get the 204V, and if you're interested in a 160cc bike, this bike just will fit your bill. Do let us know what do you think about the 164V in the comments below, and what do you think about this matte paint scheme that the companies are going for. We soon will be also doing a walk around of the Hero Extreme 160, and which somewhat has the same paint scheme as well. Subscribe to Motoroids and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. This is Vipul signing off, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, rev hard, rev free, and ride safe.